Good morning. Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen, guys. Shh. Miss Pam's still sleeping. But I'm up having coffee, okay? Look how I make my coffee. This is really unique. Nice little antique French coffee maker. Drip pot. So there's this little thing you put your grinds in, and it just doesn't, I don't know, I don't like grinds in my coffee. I'm not a big fan of chewing on grinds. So I like to put the filter in, but I have to cut the filter. And I'm talking low because I don't want to wake up Miss Pam. And that's how I do it. Just put the, cut a little piece off. I got some French Market coffee and chicory, my favorite. And you just put your grinds right in there and pour the water over. It's really great. Watch that. Watch how this happens. 3, 4, 5. A scoop per cup. Put that baby right on there. And go get the water. That water's boiling hot. Just pour it right in there. And in about 3 minutes, we're going to have a hot cup of coffee. Oh, Miss Pam's going to get up. I can guarantee you that. And she's going to smell this all the way in the back of the house. And she'll come out and she'll say, "Oh, I smell the coffee brewing." And that's how I make my coffee right there. I don't know if you can hear that. It's dripping. Be back in a couple of minutes when it's finished. Let's see how we doing. Ooh, it dripped all the way down. And it's hot too. Well, let's go ahead and prepare. Go ahead and get my coffee going here. I know that's a big healthy spoon there. Stevia. I like to put my half and half in early, Stir it up a little bit. And here we go. Yeah, I'll just leave it right there. Oh, hey, darling, you woke up.
It smells so good.
Come on in, get you some coffee. Yeah, I got it brewing.
I love waking up and having coffee made for me. That's
Oh, man. There's nothing like a good, bold cup of coffee. Drip pot, some guava jelly cakes Pam made last night or yesterday. Talk about good. Give it a little dip. Breakfast of champions. That is so good. I hope you guys can go get you some coffee and chicory. You'll never go back. Maybe. Y'all have a great day.